Did you know that Python can be run directly in the command line on Windows or terminal in Mac and Linux? In this video, you'll learn more about the core differences of running code from the command line via the IDE, as well as exploring ways in which you can run programs through Python. Let's explore the two main ways to run Python's programs. The first way is using the Python shell, and the second way is to run a Python file directly from the command line terminal. The Python shell is useful for running and testing small scripts. For example, it allows you to run code without the need for creating new .py files. You start by adding snippets of code that you can run directly in the shell. Let's explore the second main way to run Python's programs, which is running a Python file directly from the command line or terminal. Note that any file that has the file extension of .py can be run by the following command. For example, type Python, then a space, and then type the file name with a .py extension. VS Code is a better choice than using the Python shell or running it directly from the terminal because, besides including both of these options, it comes with a plethora of additional improvements that make coding in Python a better experience. Visual Studio Code also offers features such as auto-completion, debugging, and code syntax, highlighting, whitespace, and indentation helpers. I'm now going to demonstrate the different ways that you can run Python programs in VS Code. There are two options to run programs through Python. One is to run directly from the command line or the terminal if you're on Mac. And then the other option is to run directly from the IDE, which in this case is Visual Studio Code. Let's find out how to do this. First, I open the terminal window or command line window from within the IDE by clicking on the terminal menu and selecting New Terminal. Now I run the hello world.py script directly from the terminal. So I can run this by typing the command Python, and then the name of the file hello world.py, followed by the name of the file. Then hit the Enter key. The result is hello world. There's a second option using the terminal, which is entering it into the Python shell. So if I only type the Python, hit the Enter key, it opens the Python shell approach. Here I can write code and run it directly within the terminal window. I can, for example, use the same code that I have above the print hello world code. I hit the Enter key, and that will print out the words hello world directly in the shell. Let's say I want to exit from the shell. I then type in the word exit. As this is a function, I must add the parenthesis, hit the Enter key, and now I'm back in the command window. To do the same from within the IDE, I just close the terminal window. Here I can run any Python scripts from the IDE directly by using the buttons in the top right-hand corner of the screen by selecting from the drop-down either the Run Python file or the Debug Python file. Now I click on the Run button and the terminal should open automatically. The result is hello world that is printed. You have now explored the two options that are available for running Python code directly from the terminal or command line and from the IDE. That brings us to the end of this video. You now know the core differences of running code from the command line via the IDE. You are also able to demonstrate ways in which you can run programs through Python.